welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today we are unboxing an Odens Eye mystery box. So they recently came out with 2 mystery boxes and I decided to pick up one which is the most affordable one because I didn't want to pick up the second one, which was, I believe, like, I think if you spend maybe 50 or 60 pounds, it's not on their website anymore unfortunately, so I couldn't go back to check, but the value in this one is actually pretty damn good. So I think I got this for about £30 and it was free shipping, which is even better. So yeah, I got this on the Odens Eye website and I previously have had one of their mystery boxes, and like I said then, it was one of my favorite mystery boxes I've ever unboxed because it was the first time that I tried the brand and it was just full of so many amazing things. So today I wanted to show you guys what's in this one, and I've already had a peek because I can't wait, I'm too impatient, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's in this box. And it did say it had like a mixture of some jewelry and their eyeshadow palettes and a couple other things that they have on their website. So without further ado, let's have a look what's in here. So it opens up obviously with some nice packaging because it was coming, I don't actually know where Odens Eye are from. I know there must be, I always thought it might be Sweden or something. I can be wrong. Well, of course I might be wrong, but I'll double check that and I'll write it here. But yeah, it comes in this very nice bubble wrap, which I'm very happy about because there's nothing worse than items coming broken. So I open it up and straight away we have a couple of bits. So I remember actually at the bottom there's a couple of cards that I'll just show you guys first because it's pretty cute. So on here you get the card, I believe this is from just their design in general, but this is so exciting to bring you Spring Dragon with Odens Eye to celebrate the year of the dragon. We hope you love this collection as much as we do. Thank you for your support, supporting our second collab with Love Judy. I mean, I think this is part of their kind of their YouTuber influencer collab because I see Judy, Tina and Annette, so I think, I could be wrong, it could be like the influencers thing, but the card is really pretty. Like the dragons on there are so beautiful, and I've always loved the art style that Odens Eye have because it's very, like, I'm not a big fan of pastel, but I like pastel, if that makes any sense. So yeah, when we open up the box I get a couple of products which I'm very excited. So we're going to take out the first thing, which I believe is a jewelry item because I've previously purchased a jewelry item from them before. I got some earrings, part of their, is it their Love and Stone collection? It was one of their stone collections, which I absolutely love. That palette is one of my favorite palettes ever. So we open up and I believe we have a bracelet. So I'm hoping this is a bracelet because this ain't gonna fit on my neck. So I mean, let's have a look. I don't tend to wear as much jewelry as I used to because I'm just super lazy at putting things on. But yeah, this is the bracelet itself. I'm not very good at putting on jewelry by myself, don't seem to be good at many things these days, but yeah, I believe this did come out with that same collection as well because I remember seeing different types of jewelry that you could purchase, and like I mentioned, I got the earrings which had like a pearl and like a heart-shaped thing on them. So yeah, this is pretty similar. I like this design a lot. Yeah, I just hope I can get it on my hand. I have to get my husband to help me or something, but yeah, that's a really nice first item, and I think the whole, like, the box is valued to at least like maybe 100 or less than 100, which is pretty good in my eyes because we always want a big value. So the next thing that we have in here is a single eyeshadow, but we have 2 single eyeshadows. So the first one I'm choosing at random is this purple one, and this is in the shade Thor, which is very nice. So that is a really nice purple, and I do love single eyeshadows. I don't tend to use single eyeshadows as much just because, I mean, when I'm doing a look I would rather have a couple of different shadows to obviously accumulate into one look. But let's have a look at this because I just want to have a closer look. Oh, that's like a duochrome type of purplish green, very nice. I like that a lot. And then the next one we have, let's see what the shade is, Charlotte. So a completely different name altogether, because of course Thor is a Nordic name and Charlotte is a name. I don't know if it's Nordic, but yeah, this looks like a bit of a orangey duochrome, another shimmer, so that is pretty good. I do love shimmers a lot, so let's see what this is like. Yeah, so it's kind of like a pinky orange kind of shimmer, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And I have noticed as well, in the beginning when I first looked at this box, I was like, what the hell are these? And then I opened one up and then I realized that it's actually like a clear case for these single shadows, so I will be putting one of these in each, so I got two, so you basically fit that into that. So that is so far 5 products. I mean, do these count as individual? I mean, I know you can buy these by themselves, and I don't know, that kind of is a bit boring if that makes any sense, because I do have like magnetic palettes, so having something like this to kind of accumulate into my number is a little bit boring, if that's just my opinion. And I know with like mystery boxes, it's always that mystery, so I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it's I would rather have had like maybe a lip product in you know, instead of like those 2 products. So we've actually got one more thing now, which I'm very excited about because it's a palette, and this is a palette that I've actually wanted to try for a really long time, but because I don't know this YouTuber much, I haven't really picked anything up. So this is the Angelica and Odens Eye little ghost palette. So I remember when this first came out and I was like, the packaging on this is absolutely stunning. I'm going to take off the plastic because it's quite reflective, especially on this kind of sunny day that I have in London. But yeah, this is such gorgeous packaging. Like I said, Odens Eye always have amazing packaging, and I know that they've done 2 collabs now, and I really like the aesthetic that this brings. So in case you haven't seen this palette before, it's been a while since I've seen it, but yeah, so this is the palette. So it's a nice selection of purples and blues and some oranges, which is completely up my street because I'm a fan of all of these shades. So I cannot wait to try this, and I love the little embossings. So you've got some bats and pumpkin and spider. Not a fan of spiders, but I like the embossing. And yeah, the packaging again is absolutely stunning. And I know that Angelica has done quite a lot with Odens Eye, so I mean, I'm quite happy that I got this palette because again, I wanted to try it for so long, and it was just something in the case of I don't really know her as much as, like, I haven't watched any of her videos. I know she does a lot of like reviews and kind of like new in the makeup world and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. I'll definitely try this in a future video, and these I will definitely use as well. But that was everything that I got in my box, and kind of when I think about it, I do like everything that I got. It's just, again, I feel that these were probably not the best thing for me to get, but I understand that you obviously need them together, even though you don't necessarily need them, because in the first mystery box I didn't get these, and I think I did get like 2 or 3 shimmers. So I'm gonna see online if anyone got the same thing as me or what they got in the larger boxes, because I really want to know what was in the larger ones, because I can only assume obviously you get twice the amount of products, which is pretty damn awesome. But again, I didn't want to spend too much, especially with mystery boxes, because you just never know what you're gonna get, hence the name. But yeah, altogether I am pretty damn happy, because I'm going to use all of these products. Again, this bracelet, I'm going to try my best to try it on, because again, my hands and my wrists are pretty fat so I will see if this will fit me. If not, then I will just hold on to it until my wrist becomes smaller. But again, let me know if you have picked up the Odens Eye mystery box, if you're intrigued, because I know it's not on the website anymore, I'm afraid. So maybe in the future will you pick up one, because they do them quite frequently. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias, because I'm always active on there, and appreciate you sitting down listening to me ramble on. And I apologise again for the audio if it has been rubbish, but I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.